Between 1950 and 2023, the state of Florida was struck by 17 major hurricanes. Now, a major hurricane is a Category 3, 4, or 5 hurricane. During this time period, the state of Florida saw 10 Category 3 hurricane landfalls, 5 Category 4 hurricanes, and 2 Category 5 hurricanes. Hurricane Andrew was a Category 5 hurricane that made landfall at Elliott Key in 1992, and the most recent Category 5 hurricane was Michael in 2018. Category 4s, we had Ian in 2022, Charlie in 2004, Donna in 1960, Irma in 2017, and for Category 3s, we had Dennis in 2005, Opal in 1995, Easy in 1950, Irma in 2017, Wilma in 2005, Betsy in 1965, King in 1950, Jean in 2004, Dahlia in 2023, and Eloise in 1975. Again, this only includes data up to 2023. The state of Florida does experience more landfalls with hurricanes due to it being a peninsula and sticking out into the water.